Namaste. It is a wonderful platform of bringing all the academicians together in Chennai today. And PISA for schools is the need of the hour. And all these days we were evaluating student performance. It's time that we start thinking of putting the systems and practices in place, and evaluating schools is important to grow as an institution. And we, D.A.V group of schools in Chennai, we are chain of schools. And this platform would enable us to evaluate the systems and processes and compare our own schools and even grow bigger. So thank you.